Life hacks and problem solving. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some mind-blowing life hacks that will change how you tackle everyday problems. Stay tuned for simple, unconventional solutions that will make your life easier, smarter, and more fun. Let's kick off with a few hacks you can try right now. Got tangled headphones? Use a binder clip to keep them neat and tangle-free.
Struggling to find small items like earrings? Use a vacuum cleaner with a stocking over the nozzle, it'll catch those tiny items easily.
Want cold drinks fast? Wrap them in a damp paper towel and pop them in the freezer for 10 minutes. Before we continue, if you love clever problem solving, you'll definitely love the unique finds on our e-commerce site. Head over to www.cattylovesline.net for stylish items to purchase. Don't miss out, check it out now. Now for some bigger problem-solving ideas. Sticky zipper. Rub a graphite pencil over the teeth to fix it instantly. Always losing socks in the laundry. Wash them in a mesh bag to keep them together. Accidentally deleted a file. Use recovery software like Recover to bring it back. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment with your favorite life hack. And don't forget to grab some cool items at www.cattylovesline.net.